Baking soda and baking powder are often confused. They look the same. They're stored in similar containers. And both are used to make baked goods rise. But chemically, they are not the same ingredient. They behave differently, activate differently, and are not interchangeable. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. On its own, it is a base. That means it does nothing until it reacts with an acid. When baking soda meets an acid, such as vinegar, lemon juice, yogurt, or buttermilk, it releases carbon dioxide gas. Those gas bubbles expand in heat, which causes dough or batter to rise. Without an acid present, baking soda will not work properly. Baking powder already contains everything it needs to work. It is made of 3 components: baking soda, a powdered acid, and a drying agent, usually starch. Because the acid is built in, baking powder only needs moisture to activate. Most baking powders are double-acting, meaning they release gas once when mixed with liquid and again when heated in the oven. The simplest difference is this: baking soda needs an external acid. Baking powder already contains its acid. That single difference explains why recipes choose one over the other. If you use baking soda without enough acid, the food may not rise and may taste bitter or metallic. If you replace baking soda with baking powder, the recipe may rise too much or taste overly salty. Because the chemical balance is different, substituting one for the other changes the reaction. Baking soda. One ingredient requires acid, fast reaction. Baking powder, multiple ingredients, acid included, slower, controlled reaction. They may look similar, but baking soda and baking powder are chemically different tools. Understanding how each one works explains why recipes are written the way they are.